Going through the internet, a random idea popped in my mind. What if I could use text to make videos through AI? But it seemed kinda off to find text manually. So I came up with the idea of using text from YouTube comments. Well, it's gonna be titles, but like comments, titles, anything, to videos. Let's see how it went. Also, since I'm not gonna be the one doing the AI stuff, I found this really cool website called Elai, which basically lets you create videos using an avatar and it can put images, text for you as well. Now first I had to do the YouTube API part to get the titles, and here's my channel. Now after some API calls, I was finally able to understand and get this. Here's some part of the JSON file from the API call. Now I had to get titles from the YouTube API from my channel, and here they are. Alright, so now here's the final video, but please note that it is what the AI has generated, and the reason why the final clip is so short after rendering is it's because Elai doesn't allow free users to create more than one slide per render, but I'll show the project screen anyways what it actually made before rendering.
A program which increases its volume if someone speaks in between a movie. Python, an alarm clock which threatens you to wake up.
It did a really good job, and if y'all don't believe that I actually programmed this, then here are some screenshots of the code. See y'all next time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.